These images are for a visual only. They are not of my differential. So we went and got the Jeep re-geared to help out with the shifting with our 35-inch tires and bring the shift points back to normal, which so far it feels like they are. But we got to put 500 miles on the Jeep, give or take. Actually 500 or more, between 500 and 1,000.
Yes.
And then change the oil in the gearboxes and see that everything's okay, no metal shavings and all that good stuff. So we're out for a little countryside drive, doing a little bit of what's called the Bellville Loop, basically just a bunch of dirt roads like this around Bellville, Texas. And then after this, we'll get up tomorrow and finish up and take a run out through the Sam Houston National Forest, do part of the Cheeseburger Loop, and between today and tomorrow we should get 500 miles in. The Bellville Loop begins and ends in Bellville, Texas. It kind of makes a figure 8 along a lot of the country roads around the Bellville area, mostly dirt with a little bit of pavement. Well, they got some horns on them too. Yeah, both of them do. Hello, Mama.
They're new babies.
Like when the road to the house is lined up with trees like that. Pretty cool. Today we're out in the Sam Houston National Forest. Mixture of pavement, mixture of dirt, and lots of forestry trees.
Hence the name Sam Houston Forest.
National
Forest.
Cheeseburger Loop begins and ends near Montgomery, Texas. It winds its way through the Sam Houston National Forest and all the countryside around Carlos, Texas, and towards College Station, and then back down to Montgomery. It's called the Cheeseburger Loop because along the route you'll run by a place called Yankees Grill and Tavern. It has some fantastic cheeseburgers there. Red drive goes down to it.
Yeah.
So this goes down to that spot right down around the water.
Oh, we could do a loop. Yeah, go this way.
Pass your side towards the water, right?
Yeah. This is a big good spot. Oh, we could move this.
Oh, yeah, we got some miles on. Well, here we are in part of the Cheeseburger Loop in National Forest, and the road's closed. I see a big hole in what might be a bridge right there. And we walked further up, and there's another road closed sign up there. So I think it's closed right here because of
The hole in the road.
hole that they haven't fixed yet. So will they fix it in the future? Who knows? Make a U-turn and find another way.
Blue is the color of the ocean. Blue is the color of the sky. All my life there's been commotion.
Out here, not far from Carlos, Texas, is a Grimes solar project. About the past 5 miles, we've seen nothing but solar panels to the left and solar panels to the right, depending on which way the road turned. So, if you're worrying about where the power went, it's probably going to this substation right here. So, yep, can't imagine how much money's invested in that stuff. Well, hell, you didn't expect that on these roads back here, would you?
No, I wouldn't.
All right.
Let's see what we can
Let
do.
me see if I can move it.
Sit right here next to me. There's nothing, no, there's nothing we should do.
But yeah, we've seen nothing else.
In 1/2 mile, turn left on County Road 406.
No, there's nothing we should do. Close your eyes and see. It's all you need. Listen close, there's rhythm all around you. Hold it close, don't let it go away. Through the noise, you'll find the peace within you. Find out it's the only thing you need. Sit right here
turn right on FM 1486.
Well, friends, this brings us to the end of the Cheeseburger Loop. If you ever want to run this loop, allow yourself 6 to 8 hours, including a stop at Yankees. Yes, stop at Yankees Tavern to get one of the best cheeseburgers you will ever taste. If you haven't already, please subscribe and hit that bell to get notifications of our future videos. And thank you for watching.